Today we're making fudge pops. It starts with 12 ounces of heavy cream, about 8 ounces of whole milk, which is basically 2 or 1% milk. That's really what it means. A tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, just whisk it together on medium heat and wait for it to come to a simmer. Make sure you whisk often because it will burn very easily considering it is dairy. Okay, so it's came to its simmer. Now you're going to get 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Just dump it in there and wait about 2 minutes, and then you can stir. Now I know what you're thinking. Dark chocolate? Ugh, or bittersweet? Just not good. I don't like this stuff at all. Well, yeah, it does taste kind of weird when you eat it raw. I'm not asking you to eat it raw. We're going to cook it, then we're going to freeze it. It will taste better. If you don't really don't like it and you've tried it, then, you know, you could use semi-sweet. You could use a milk chocolate. You could use anything you want. But with these kind of recipes, you can really play around. I don't really like using dark chocolate buttons or anything bittersweet. I like to look for stuff with a percentage symbol. You can really manipulate things more and change the flavors and really get a chocolatey flavor because there's tons of dark chocolate out there, right? But the flavor and how dark it is really depends on the manufacturer. With the percent symbols, there is no way around it. It is what it is. So I'd encourage you to try something with a higher percentage or a dark chocolate button. I just have those lying around. It doesn't really matter what you use as long as you like it. As you can see, it pretty much melted itself. Now you want to add in the vanilla extract. Sometimes if you add in twice as much, you know, to make it even sweeter, but teaspoon and a half, tablespoon's even good. You want to add it in at the very end because vanilla extract is very sensitive to heat, or at least this kind is, and it will cook out. So add it in at the very end and whisk. I gotta say, the thing I love about doing it this way is that instead of, you know, double boiler or using butter and taking forever, you just throw a hot mixture in chocolate, it melts itself. I really like it. It's a lot easier this way. Next up, you're going to need some popsicle molds, but let it cool down for at least 5 or 10 minutes. Would be better. Now, I do realize some of you are not going to have popsicle molds, so just get a plastic cup, put some plastic wrap, and put a popsicle, and there you go. Your own homemade fudge pop. And it is a lot better than you will imagine. And if you want, you can microwave it and melt it into the best hot chocolate you'll ever have. So enjoy.